So when I started Pete Pedro, one of the things that I was super excited about was something called the Bueno Club, where you could subscribe to your favorite hair product, and then we were going to ship it directly to your door. You didn't have to worry about running out. It was automatic, and you were also going to save some cash. Well, over the years, it's kind of gone and done its thing, but I want to do it bigger. I'm going to do it better. And so I thought, hey, if I can offer them a deal they can't refuse, they're going to sign up. 20% off. 20% off for any product that you want automatically delivered to your door whenever you want. 20% off, guys. You don't need to worry about getting the best deal. You're getting it, but you gotta hurry. You gotta take advantage of this because I honestly don't know how long I'm gonna do this. It's kind of like a test run and a pilot, but the good news is if you subscribe to the Bueno Club now, you are locked in at that 20% off, even if we change it a little bit later. Don't wait. Now is the time. Never run out of product. Always get 20% off and have amazing hair. Guys, it's the Bueno Club. It's back and bigger than ever. Take advantage of it. Don't wait. Do it now so that you always save 20%.